Long time no vlog. So guys, I'm heading to the market. I want to make I don't know what I want to make, but just follow me to the market. We'll find out together. And also want to get a screen guard for my phone. So my kids have bathed Jotam. I just put Jotam to sleep. My children are Jaden and Jenny are watching cartoon, and I'm going to the market. The sun is too much. I will go survive. So I don't even know if I have cash with me. Let me check. So I'll see you guys in the market, okay? How much? Tomatoes. And the last price? How much? 2.5, no buy 'em. How much?
500, 1,000.
Mama, tomatoes, half pence, how much? Mama, 4, no buy 'em. Mama, take.
Tomato there.
I bring some. You say? Hey, wow. I don't get thank you.
Jakwa na ya ana charge kwa wewe mko ama lazima
Huh?
200 ka.
Yeah, more.
Oh yeah, down.
God bless you.
Ade come di go go 600 ali. Who dey come?
Promo phone here, no more 12,000. 10,000.
So guys, I'm back and I didn't vlog much in the market. Yeah, I did not vlog much. So this new phone I'm using is too big. So well, I wasn't able to vlog much, but I was able to get some clip. So let me show you guys what I got from the market, okay? So I got Simply. I got this Tazi, I think so, for okra soup. I got this one. I got okra. I got this for stew. I got manla fish. Manla fish. I got beef. This is one for stew. I got curry leaf for stew. I'm actually craving it, so I got this. I got this to add to the stew. They were owing me change, so I took crayfish 400. And I took this is tomatoes. I think tomatoes is coming down. I got these tomatoes for 4,000. I got these onions for 1,000. And I think plantain is also coming down as well. I got plantain. This is 2,000 naira. Before this should be 3,500. And I got this for 1,100. So these are all that I got. So I've changed my screen guard and it's way better, like way better. I got this one, looks like rubber, but it's actually more expensive. Yeah, the normal one is 1,500. Why this one is 2,000? But my camera is not covered. My pouch is solid. It's solid, so it won't break. My phone hardly break. And the pouch I use for this phone is, anyway, my YouTube fans, I know that you might not know. I don't know if I've posted it on YouTube. Maybe I'll post it before this video comes up. So guys, we are now using 14 Pro Max. This is it. I'm actually using the front camera, not the back camera. If you still want me to use the back camera for you, I'm still gonna use it. Anyways, these are all the stuff that I got from the market. I hope I bought well. I'll see you guys in our next video. I'm not sure I'm going to video while cooking because I might be going live on YouTube, so you can also as well watch it there. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye bye.